Broadcast. I want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Monday, February the 13th, 2012, 4 p.m. Eastern. I had to redo it today. No bell. What a day. What a day. What a nothing day. Dollar selling off, euro rallying on Greek austerity measures. And once again, the euro failed to break through that 133 barrier. Selling off nicely. But again, inside day. Inside day, so really nothing to say. We're not sure. Japan GDP sucked wind, down 0.6%, double the estimate down. Revision was lower. Japan falling off a cliff. Europe coming up next. Home loans out of Australia, a little bit better, up 2.3%. That was good. As I said, also, China rolling over those local loans. That's a good thing. Greece, dogs and cats living together. They're going through mass hysteria. There's going to be revolution in Greece. I have no doubt whatsoever. None. They are going to have revolution. They are not going to do what's necessary. And, what I don't understand is they're firing all these people. Why can't they just make them work an extra 3 weeks a year? Take away vacation. That will help a lot. You don't need to fire as many people then. Stupid. They don't get it. They're kicking the can down the road. They're basically, you know what they're doing. The check's in the mail. Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do it. And they get more money. Because they're never, ever going to be able to sustain this type of austerity. It's not going to happen. Even the wealthiest people in Greece who don't live in the country say, I'm not investing in Greece. They're worthless people. One of the billionaires said it. Worthless. Not hardworking. They don't get it. The meal ticket's over. It's time to work your asses off if they want to get out of this. But they don't. So, the situation, obviously that end of March date, March 23rd, I believe, is a big date. They got to pay $15 billion rollover or something, 150, and a big number. All I see are storm clouds on the horizon. All I see in the next month and a half. February, March, storm clouds. Big time. Earthquake, March 22nd. We know about that date. That's a big one. We got some sort of massive solar flare going to hit in the next day or two. A double flare. Just doubled within a day. Just doubled. So there's lots of stuff going on. Israel, Iran basically trying to blow up 2 Israeli cars. It was the Iranians. Now the 4th attack in a couple of months. Israel is not going to take this lying down. War could be imminent. If they succeed in one of these attacks, who knows what's going to happen? They're pushing. They want it to happen. They believe it's their destiny. 1,000%. No doubt. Unbelievable. Tonight, we got good numbers, so take a look at these S&Ps. They look good. They look like they probably want to go higher. We didn't come in. We didn't have follow through. I thought we were going to come in. Yes, I did. I still think this is a head and shoulders. Even if this thing explodes, this is going to be a monster neckline, 1,300. Abso-freaking-lutely. No doubt. Love this line. So, we look at this. And it just looks like we want to explode. 1360, this level here, 1356, up here. It's about 1357. Big spot. We take this out, we're gone. But we just seem to be banging up against this wall in the S&Ps. Can't make it. As far as numbers coming out tonight, we got plenty. Plenty of numbers. Japan, obviously not doing anything, but again, Japan talking tough. The Japanese, Habanese, talking very tough about the dollar-yen rate, which makes you wonder, it already rallied 100 pips. Why are they freaking out about it? Because they know GDP's falling off a cliff, risk off, money's going to come home. Dollar-yen failed. Dollar-yen is now going to roll over. Oh, mama. And there will be intervention, but from lower levels. It failed. Dollar-yen could not muster it up enough. Again, it's all about global economic growth. That's why dollar-yen is not going to go up unless we have that. And I think we definitely could be on the precipice of a collapse in this dollar-yen. Big time. It's not over. You know me, I think dollar-yen is the trade of 2012, but not the first half. No. We look at this dollar index, inside candle again, just like the euro. Looks very much the same. But we held. And you would think with the reversal we had in the euro today, the sell-off, that we would continue to the downside. Sell on the news. SOTN, baby. Hopefully you got the call. It didn't happen really until Europe. Could have made a couple of trades here and there on the short side. Unless these futures close above 1356, that level, I'm sticking to my bearish tone. Apple. It's an Apple market. That's it. Caterpillar. Priceline. Lululemon. Chipotle. Certainly not Sears and JCPenney. Tell you that. As far as numbers coming out tonight, though, we do have more. We get French non-farm payroll. It's supposed to be up 0.2%. Look for that number to suck. We got London CPI. Look for that number to collapse. It's supposed to collapse. Supposed to be down to 3.6% from 4.2%. Core is supposed to be down to, I believe, 2.7% from 3%. So look for that to get weaker. German Zoo supposed to rebound from negative 11.8%. And Eurozone industrial production is supposed to collapse, fall off a cliff, down 1.1%. Look for that to happen. U.S. retail sales core is supposed to rally from last month's disaster number, down 0.2%. Core is supposed to be up 0.6%. I don't think it's going to come. Retail sales supposed to be up 0.8% from only up 0.1%. I don't see that happening. Import price is supposed to hold up 0.3%. Business inventory is supposed to increase 0.4%. Geithner speaking. Lovely. But that's it. And again, I think more storm clouds on the horizon. I don't buy this. Like I said, the next 6 weeks, look between geopolitical, geothermal, earthquake, sun, solar flares, stuff like that. We're heading into a bad spot. So I see this as an opportunity to sell and get short. And when we take a look at some of these charts, we look at the Aussie dollar, jumping around a little bit. Popped up nicely, but it's failed. It's failing. That's heavy. Notice the 10, 20, 30 exponential starting to arc a little. Came back today, yes, but this thing is so overbought. We've rallied 1,000 pips in a month and a half. It's time. But S&Ps explode. We close above 109 to the moon, Alice. Euro inside day, though. Can't really tell you much from this. It's a short. Again, gets above 133, you got to get out. It's an SOS, sell on strength. Should we breach 131.50, floodgates should open up to 130.50. And again, I think we're coming in. I don't like it. Euro sterling couldn't rally. Nice reversal. Could not clear 84. Now, I'm a little worried with the CPI number coming out of London tonight. That number's going to suck. And if it does, euro sterling could pop. But cable selling off nicely. Looks like a nice short. Should we take out 57.30? Good night. Coming in. Topping out. I think the top is in, people. I think we had a rally. I think we now roll over. Risk off, mama. Oh, yeah. Dollar yen, like I said, I think it topped out. I think dollar yen's in trouble. I don't know why they would feel the need to come out now and say they will intervene. Minister of Finance. I think they're set up for a fall. They know it's going to come in. Again, GDP collapsing. Bad, bad, bad. Not very good. Oh, yeah. So this dollar yen, nice little double doji. Looks to me like it's going to come in more. Dollar Canada. Another one. I like it. Tried to pop. But again, this whole par level is big. We cleared the tower. Listen, we close below 99.30, it's going to melt. But for now, I'm looking for a pop to 101. Gold came in nicely today. 101.50. Dollar Canada. Gold came in nicely. Crude up on the Israeli concerns with Iran, and that is going to happen. I'm telling you, Israel is not going to stand by and allow Iran. We've now had the Saudi ambassador attempted assassination. 4 attempted assassinations by Iran against Israelis. Israel doesn't act like Obama. Israel is an eye for an eye. They're an eye for a genital part. You kill one Jew, they'll kill 20, 100. So it's coming. I mean, look at gold. Nice little reversal here. Gold having a very hard time. Unless we can clear 1760, 1770, gold's coming in. Dollar Swiss. Nice little pop. Maybe a couple of shekels in this dollar Swiss. A little bit. Nothing day. I'm telling you, nothing day. Some of the crosses a nice movement, but dollar Swiss trying to hold. Again, I think it comes in. I think it was, it's a long, but I still think eventually it's going to break. This looks terrible. This Euro Swiss, though, again, a lot of banks talking about Euro Swiss long. I've been bringing it to your attention for a while. Came in a little bit, but I still see what they see. I think 23.50 easy. Nice little pop. It's due. Again, we're just in this range, 120 to 125 with the lower band, as long as we don't take out 120. And again, there should be no big problems until I believe the 24th of February, possibly 23rd. So the euro drifts. And then maybe it could explode after that. But 133 the spot. This Kiwi, unless it takes out 84, to me it's still a short. Yes, it did take out previous day high. I think that was more S&P. Gold was up. Oil going up. But unless we take out 84, to me, it's still a sell. And this market's not easy. This market is not easy. And that's why you need me. So again, freebies. Hey, Charlie, by the way, great. Shout out to my boy Charlie for sending me that little ringtone. I'm going to do it. I'm going to have ringtones for all my best of the best of the best. Pound Aussie. Oh, baby. That'll be in there. I should have that up on my website probably the next week. I'll have about 10 of the best of the best. $5 each, suckers. Freebies, you're finally going to have to pay for something. But Pound Aussie, disappointment, but again, I still like it long. Stupid. But hey, you're again with a nice little reversal, but another one. Inside candle, didn't take out previous day high. Tough looking chart. But hopefully you scaled into it short. Hopefully you listen to me. Sell on the news. Because it worked, baby. Yeah, went higher. You have to have conviction. And that's it. So again, as far as, let's go to crude. I feel like I'm missing something. But again, as far as where do we go from here without any good news, I think the economic numbers this week are going to suck wind. And Japan just solidifying that. Absolutely. So, to me, all the numbers coming out tonight should all suck. I don't see any that could be good. Maybe the German zoo, but it's already priced in. It was negative 21.6, and they're looking for negative 11.8. That's a big rebound. I don't think that's going to happen. The inflation rate out of London, remember, they ratcheted down their inflation expectations big time. And this crude, it's breaking out. I'm telling you, I like long crude, short gold. Long oil gold. Oh, yeah. Crude is breaking out. Even if I nudge it up a little bit to get that line, it's still breaking out. I'm telling you, we're on the precipice. Something's coming. So again, if you have any questions, if you're looking to try my product, feel free to email me, info@globalfxllc.com. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio, the only voice you'll ever need, who truly loves to make you money. Have a good night.